catastrophic failure of the porcelain light fixture in the boiler room. I am not feeling too good today. I haven't for days. I haven't filmed anything in days, and I wasn't going to film today either. But since this happened and I have to fix it, I guess we'll film it. Because of the way I feel, I'm not going to do a lot of narration in this video. But in short, this just is completely broken. This has been failing for some time. I think ever since before I moved in. The chain was popped out and it's been flaky. I had put this on there to get it so we can turn it on and off. And I think from turning this on and off so many times it wore out the thing and that broke. So we're gonna just swap it out. I got a new one here. I hate to spend time doing this because this is going to be going away anyways in a couple weeks when I finish the lighting project down here, but I need some lights in the time being, so we're going to fix it, but it's kind of pointless. So here we go. Hopefully this is straightforward and simple. Part of me doesn't even want to know what is lurking behind this fixture. Could be something crazy. Okay, well now we'll never know what the failure mode is because now it's in like 15 pieces. So, okay. Well, that's funny. That's really funny. See, I knew it. I knew there was going to be something in there that I didn't want to see. Look at this trash. Look at this trash. That's right. Bare wires just chilling there. That's unbelievable. Alright, where does that wire go? Huh, it goes over to the other side. Hopefully there's nothing on the other end of that. We'll find out soon enough. These are hooked on backwards. Which has been a running trend for much of the wiring in this house. Or at least down here anyways. This has been up here for some time. This might even be original. This thing is really decayed. These wires are... they probably should be replaced as well. What I was going to try to do is see if I could just grab the switch out of this, but it looks like not only is the other one broken, it looks like that's not an option anyways because the switch is integrated. Although this is going to be much easier to work with, so I kind of like this better. Oh boy. Made in China. Ooh. And I come with 2 two little tiny screws, one of which I just lost. I don't know what those are for anyways. Just put those in the box of spare screws. Okay. That should be working now. I'm just going to ignore these other exposed, disconnected wires, whatever they are. I don't no idea. We'll figure that out in the coming weeks. Just make sure nothing touches it, and it shouldn't cause any problems up in there where those screws are. The bowl back in. I know this is probably what broke it in the first place, but I'm going to put it back for now. It's only going to be up here for a few weeks. I'll try to minimize the number of times I turn it on and off. Although this feels pretty sturdy. I like this fixture. Alright, let's see what we got here. It's working. Okay, that was a quick and easy fix. One of the things that always amazes me about stuff like this is that there's so many people that have absolutely no idea how to do that. And that simple failure would have been a couple $100 fiasco to have to get someone out here fixing all this trash. It's crazy to me. Here's the old one. I wish this didn't happen because I wanted to keep this. I could have fixed it. It was made in USA. And all I probably had to do was take the chain off and put a new piece of chain on. It seems like it's working. I could have replaced this piece and it would have been good as new. But unfortunately now it's busted. So I guess I'll have to cancel it out.